Do you have an overripe banana at home like this and you're thinking of throwing it away? Don't do that, okay? Just come closer. Let me show you how you can use your overripe banana to make delicious banana bread with simple ingredients you already have at home. I will show you a simple trick that will take your banana bread to the next level to become very tasty and moist. So if it sounds like what you want to know, please stick around. Hi my loves, you're welcome back to the channel. I'm Fit Uche Okuo. So now the things you need for your banana bread is overripe banana like this. If you have anyone that is lying on your kitchen counter, don't throw it away. As I said earlier, we are going to use this to make banana bread that will be so tasty. Okay, so now get your banana. Next you need your egg. I'm using 2 eggs and I'm using this measuring spoons and measuring cup. So if you don't have a scale, I got you. Okay, so now you need your sugar and you need your oil. This is vegetable oil, you can use any oil of your choice. You will need your baking powder, then you need a pinch of salt and your baking soda. Then you will need your milk, you can use any kind of milk. Then this is my vanilla extract. So now you want to carefully take out the skin of your banana. You know your banana is ripe, so you want to be careful when doing this. And I'm using 4 small bananas. Make sure your bananas are not bad, make sure they are not spoiled. It should just be overripe. So after taking out the skin, now you want to mash your banana. You can use your potato masher or you can use fork like this as I'm doing. After mashing, you want to add your sugar and mix. Give it a thorough mix like this till everything is properly combined. If you have your brown sugar, by all means feel free to use it, okay? Now you want to add your oil. This is half cup of oil. The list of the full ingredients and the measurement will be in the description box. You want to check that out. So now give this a thorough mix and add your egg. I'm adding my 2 eggs now and then I'm going to mix it. This egg is going to give your bread that brown color. And if you want your egg to mix really fast, you can break your egg separately and whisk before adding it to your batter. So finally you want to add your vanilla flavor to your batter and whisk. Your wet ingredients is ready. So now prepare your dry ingredients. For that you will need your 1 cup of flour. Add it to your sieve, don't skip that, okay? Now you want to add your baking powder to it, add your baking soda to it and a pinch of salt and sieve everything together. If you see lump like this, you can use your spoon to press it down. Yeah, that is what we have. So now you want to add your milk. You guys, I'm using my powdered milk. You can use any milk of your choice. If you are using evaporated milk, you want to add that to your wet ingredients. So know that this powdered milk I use is intentional because I want to show you that you can actually use your powdered milk for this, okay? So now you want to add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients and you want to be careful when doing this. So just be careful, add this bit by bit, add your dry ingredients bit by bit and then fold it in. Don't stir for too long, just fold it in, make sure everything is folded in properly. Now add your second batch and repeat what you did for the first batch by folding it in gradually. Okay, so just fold it in gradually, don't miss it too much, don't miss it for too long because it is going to make your batter to be dense and your bread will come out looking so dense. Okay, yeah, so know that the powdered milk you added to your flour initially is going to make your batter to be dense quickly. Yes, when doing this it's going to make it dense, but don't worry, you can add water, just add water to your batter and it's going to come out nice. Know that you want to add your water bit by bit, don't just go and add it all at once, so that you know when to stop adding your water. All right, the measurements of the water I use is in the description, please don't forget to check that. And now this is the pan I'm using and you want to use oil like this to put on your pan so that when you are adding your parchment paper it's going to stick to it. But if you don't have parchment paper like this, you can just sprinkle flour and oil, just rub your pan with oil and then sprinkle flour on it, then your bread is not going to be sticky when you add it to your pan. Okay, so now I'm going to add the batter now into my pan. This is plain banana bread. I'm not adding any toppings to it. So you can choose to add your raisin, your coconut flakes. You can choose to add anything of your choice, but I'm not adding anything to this one. It is just plain banana bread. So I'm going to take out everything. I don't want anything to waste. Okay, so I'm going to scrape everything in and take it straight to the heat. So if you don't have an oven, don't worry, just do it this way and it's going to come out well, as if you use your oven to do this. Okay, so now cover and allow to heat on medium to low heat for an hour. So make sure you preheat your pot for like 5 minutes before you add your pan to it, and this is going to give you that oven feeling. Okay, yeah. So an hour later, you want to check on your bread and you want to dip in your toothpick like this. Just dip it in like this, and if it comes out clear, then know that your bread is ready. But if it still has some dents, some stains on it, then know that you still have to bake for some time. And voila, our bread is ready. You guys, I'm going to take this out now from the pan, and this is our bread. Can you see how our bread is looking? This bread is super delicious, so tasty. Yeah, all the things we added to it made it so tasty. Okay, so just make sure you add your sugar in the right proportion. Make sure you add your milk in the right proportion. You can use the measurement. Okay, can you see how soft this is? It is soft. It came out soft. Okay, so yeah, you guys, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already, and I will see you in the next one. Lots of kisses. Bye for now. Mwah.